We can move on and look at part B with your permission. List the 3 reasons that would motivate a portfolio manager to include hedge funds in a portfolio. As in, the examiner is asking us, why is it necessary to include hedge funds within a portfolio? And the answers are simple over here. So we are saying this is B right there. We can say that hedge funds provide diversification. We say hedge funds provide diversification. What we are simply saying is this over here. Each investment has got a risk inherent within it, like that. So we are saying by applying or by selecting asset classes that are uncorrelated with each other tends to reduce the exposure towards risk. So this is risk right over here. This is number of investments. So if you put in uncorrelated asset classes or asset classes that are uncorrelated with each other, so you select hedge funds, you select maybe stocks, you select bonds, like that. You see they are uncorrelated with each other. You probably maybe select derivatives over there. The more you select uncorrelated asset classes within a portfolio and include them inside a portfolio, then we're seeing the element of risk tends to be reduced to that level. From that level of investing in one asset class to this level of investing in multiple asset classes that are uncorrelated with each other. So you're saying including hedge funds within a portfolio reduces or provides diversification benefit there. And number 2, we are saying that the ability to reduce losses during sell-offs, or hedge funds tend to reduce losses during market sell-offs, to reduce losses during market sell-offs, So when you're trying to effect sale trades, or when you're trying to sell investment or asset classes that you actually own, you're saying hedge funds tend to reduce losses, especially when you're trying to reduce the loss exposure of a portfolio. So that's what hedge fund actually does. The third reason is that the hedge funds tend to provide expert advice there. A portfolio manager would be able to provide expert advice on the asset classes that they are going to consider investing in. So hedge fund managers provide expert advice relating to we can say relating to what we can say to asset classes or investments in asset classes, or formation of a portfolio or formation of this kind of portfolio like that, and they are be able to have expert advice as to what to include, maybe hedge funds there, maybe bonds, and we can say equities over there, and maybe even derivatives like that. So they usually considered to be experts in their own making there.